Okay, Redmi Watch 5, Xiaomi, little injured, the box on Temu. Let me open the box. Now it's open. You can see the watch or the bag. This is the manual if you need. I don't think I need it. The cable and the wire only comes with those two. To take it out, I don't even know. Tear it apart. If I gonna use this watch, maybe sometimes, because it's more for sports. The smartwatch. This cable is magnetic, and strong. It's like light. I don't feel like a heavy watch. It's clean. Xiaomi Communications manufacturer. Nice. Oh, that bill. No buttons, only have like one button. And to recharge on the below part. Icon has the same like software. Xiaomi Hyper OS. English, several language, French, Spanish, Arab, Poles. Well, language that you need it. Otherwise you need the phone for that. Digitalize. It's good on the wrist. If you touch it, doesn't happen nothing. You click on the button or movement of your arm. Alarm is more for smartwatch. For me, is for sports. If you practice, and see you focus on your health. You can track the calories and the tension and your blood pressure. Turn on, turn off. Has a GPS. Call his phone. Also has Bluetooth. If I move this, turn on, turn off, and I move up, I need to click on the button. There's the apps, run, everything I said, camera, music, control your battery, then the meteorology and the temperature. I think I watch everything. Maybe have more.